Dr. Joe Nieusma from Superior Toxicology and Wellness back again to talk more about the issue of the day, coronavirus. In the previous video, I mentioned the barrier protection that is very common and most people's only real defense against the coronavirus. But that's not the case, because if you have a strong and healthy immune system, you have a better than average chance of not picking up the original infection with coronavirus. And what leads to a healthy immune system? Well, nutrition, health, enough rest, and giving your body the tools to make sure your immune system is performing optimally. The tool of choice that I recommend is Live Longer Labs C60 Complete. It's in black seed oil and it's got curcumin. And you can look into the research yourself. Both black seed oil, curcumin, and C60 all have direct effects on coronaviruses, amongst other bacteria and virus action. You can see that in disease states, there are over 28,000 positive effects from the combination of those three ingredients: curcumin, black seed oil, and carbon 60. And if you are taking a regular dose of C60 Complete from Live Longer Labs, your chance of initial coronavirus infection is even more significantly reduced than the general population. If somebody that's on C60 and somebody that's not on C60 has the same exposure, the one person that's on C60 is going to have a much better chance to avoid infection because of the direct effects on the virus, because of the strengthening of the immune system, and because of the absolute state of health that C60 promotes in individuals. And those healthy individuals are able to fight off those common viruses. Coronavirus is the buzzword right now, but it also helps against flu and common cold and hepatitis and HIV and even Ebola. These viruses don't stand a chance against a strong immune system. If you're healthy and your wellness is high, you're going to do a lot better in the face of those little hard to see enemies known as coronaviruses, or whatever the buzzword might be next month, next year, or next decade. C60 is a path to make sure you have the best defense against the initial infection. Now, coronavirus gets into the body through a very specific receptor. There's been a lot of good research done. It's called the ACE2 receptor. And that's angiotensin converting enzyme 2. And that's a very prevalent receptor that's on all kinds of tissues in the human body. It's in the heart, it's in the lungs, it's in the kidney, it's in the liver. And what it controls is blood pressure and cardiovascular response. And the thing about the ACE2 receptor, it's everywhere in the body. And the coronavirus, this one in particular, recognizes that particular receptor, and that's the open doorway, the archway for infection from coronavirus. Now, why is it infecting the Chinese population at such a high rate of speed? Because most of that population smokes, and smoking induces the ACE2 receptor. What that means in layman terms, if you smoke, you got a lot more pathways for coronavirus infection into your cells. The first step you should take is stop smoking. The second step you should take is get on C60. You do those two things, your chances of coronavirus infection are going to be significantly decreased, and you'll be able to take command of your health and wellness. Dr. Joe Nieusma, Superior Toxicology and Wellness, Dr. Joe's Pros.